Hello, everyone. Welcome to First Year Teaching Tips. This video series is dedicated to helping any teacher who is in their first year of teaching or in their first year in a new role. Veteran teachers are welcome as well. With that being said, let's begin. So, who am I? My name is Mia, and I am, as of the recording of this video, an 11-year veteran in education. I worked as a high school social science teacher in public and private schools, and currently work as an instructional technology specialist in a public district. When I began teaching, the landscape of education looked very different. However, I have found that there are some tips, tricks, and other bits of information I wish I had known when starting my career. Some of this advice comes from my own experiences, and some of it comes from what others have taught me. So let's dive into this video's tips about managing school supplies. Tip number 1. Treat all supplies as if you were to receive no more of them. Depending on a school district, teachers will have to purchase their own supplies, be limited in their supply purchases, or very rarely have the ability to buy whatever they need in the classroom. As such, for any scenario, I recommend treating the school supplies as a precious commodity. Whether you are using it or students are using it, handling the supplies should be done with responsibility so that their lifespan lasts as long as possible, whatever the material may be. Tip number 2, prioritize supply purchases between needs and wants. Very often, it can feel like an item is necessary to complete a classroom or activity. However, if it is possible for a classroom to be maintained without the item, then it should be categorized as a want. Think about what is absolutely necessary. There are many ways to work within supply constraints, such as thrifting, reusing other teacher supplies, or creating your own materials. While it is not always easy, it is always possible. Tip number 3, create an organization system that works for you and others. This system will vary for items such as pencils, files, or even larger items. However, depending on the space of your classroom, or if you share a classroom, make certain the system for organizing items is intuitive for you and others. It may also take time to create a fully efficient organization system. Imagine if a substitute teacher had to come into your room. Would they be able to find pens, post-it notes, or other materials easily? If not, consider adjusting how you organize your materials. If someone else can find it, that means you'll be able to find it. Tip number 4, be sure to organize materials throughout the year, not just at the beginning of it. This organization does not have to be comprehensive or challenging. Try your best to put items back where you found them. If you feel like you need to reorganize your items, try organizing one item per day. As of the recording of this video, I have gone through both my digital file folders and physical file folders through this process. It can feel like nothing is changing when cleaning one item per day, but then after 1 month, there will be a notable difference. I've certainly seen it with one of the drawers in my desk. I'm sure you'll be able to see it too. Tip number 5, if possible, take inventory at the end of every school year. Schools have different requirements for how classrooms or offices are to be cleaned at the end of the year. However, for supplies you purchased, whether with your own money or the school's money, be sure to take inventory of what you have left. This information can help when determining what you will need for the next school year. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in learning more, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also go to my website, www.guidegrowtech.com, for even more information on a variety of topics. Finally, I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of this topic. Take care.